Okay, I'll try to explain this as best I can. This generates a box ID. These up here show the records. So if I make this all fives, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'll change this to PMG, and then we'll go ahead and create a box ID for it. Oh, I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. RFID, and this one will be PMG, and we'll go ahead and generate that. So we'll add that to the record. Now that it's been added to the record, you can probably see it down here at the bottom where it shows all fives, and then the PMG registered to that QR code. Now if we want to do a lookup or something, let's just say we want to look up one of the numbers of the RFID, we scan the RFID tag in 754 541, and then click search, and it'll automatically locate this one right here. This is a PMG, and you'll notice it turns green. That changes the color because it announces that this is a PMG cell, shows the date and the time that it was registered, and who the registry was. And then now we can go and do a lookup on the internet, and you'll notice that it doesn't show any fives here. If I refresh the internet page, now you'll see that it shows all fives across there, and it was registered by year. We can actually change who the registrar is. It could be an employee, any one of us, or whatever that's creating the code. So if I say developer, and I can generate a new box ID, or keep the same one, doesn't matter. We can say all twos, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we'll make this one organic. And we'll go ahead and add this to the record, and now it's added to it. You can look down here and see that organic has been added. If we look back on the internet now, and we see this is the Apache server here that I set up yesterday. I'll go ahead and refresh this page, and now you can see that the organic has been added by developer on this date and time. So now we know that it's uploading to the internet. It's uploading and keeping up the data. We can also, I'll be setting up the ability to hook into the COM port, which allow us just to register the data into these fields automatically. If I make a selection of a thing I want to get rid of, I can just delete it, and it'll delete that one, or I can add new ones or whatever. It doesn't really matter. Create new. If I want to find a specific RFID code, you can see these change 3-1, but now watch this one. It actually will change to a new one. Now notice that RFID code is different. If I say generate, it'll automatically switch that code to the new code. So I can just reprint this, and that's where the printer will come in. We'll actually just print this tag out, and then that will go to that specific group, or whichever one this one goes to. So we can cross-reference the RFIDs with the QR code tag. So far, this is where I'm at right now. Hope this helps.